So I gotta go grab some Loctite. I think we'll conclude this video because it's pretty straightforward. There's just these 4 bolts I'll tighten up. And there's 3 bolts in here with nuts on the inside. Then there'll be the bolt for the shock. And then the caliper is going to go back on and be bolted on. And then there's a little cover which I broke off a bolt. I had to drill it out and make the hole a little bigger so I can put another screw in. And put the cover on, and then I'll jack it up and I'll put the tires on, and I'll just make a quick video of it working. And you can hear that it's locking in. See how it's working? You can see the yoke up there, or the universal, if you will, spinning. So we're all good. I'll just finish this up and maybe make one more video after it's all done. But it's pretty straightforward. Okay.